are you today?
I'm fine. What happened, Sarah?
Yeah, by the way, what time is it now?
It's 2 o'clock.
Well, I don't know how to say the time. Can you teach me?
Of course. Let's learn together.
Now let's start to learn how to say the time. This is the clock. In the clock we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. In the clock we got two hands. We got short hand and we got long hand. If you want to see the hour, you need to see the short hand. If you want to see the minute, you need to see the long hand. Now I need you to focus only on the short hand. If I put the short hand here, means that it is 1 o'clock. If I put here, means that it is 2 o'clock. If I put here, it means that 3 o'clock. If I put here, it means that 4 o'clock. If I put here, it is 6 o'clock. If I put here, it means 9 o'clock. If I put here, 11 o'clock. If I put here, it's, yes, that's correct, 12 o'clock. Now, it's time for you to say the time. Are you ready? Let's go! Now, what time is it? Yes, that's correct, 3 o'clock. What about now? What time is it? That's correct. It's 6 o'clock. What about this one? What time is it? That's correct. That's 10 o'clock.
So, you have learned how to say the time, right?
Yes, Miss. Thank you, Miss Ria.
You're welcome, Sela. Now you have learned how to say the time, right? Let's do the worksheet. Bye-bye.